Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to publish an article on Yahoo Finance. First, it's crucial to understand their specific content guidelines and the audience they serve. Your article needs to be highly relevant and provide significant value to financial readers. Begin by preparing a thoroughly researched, original, and high-quality piece that meets professional journalistic standards. This foundational step is essential for any successful submission. Your content must be entirely original, insightful, and offer genuine value to the Yahoo Finance readership. It is imperative to adhere strictly to high journalistic standards and ethical practices throughout your writing. Generally, articles are not submitted directly, but rather through a recognized newswire service or a content distribution platform. This ensures proper formatting and distribution to the correct channels for consideration. To effectively publish, consider collaborating with a specialized financial public relations firm or a content distribution partner. These entities often possess established relationships and direct channels with Yahoo Finance. They can significantly streamline the submission process, ensuring your article reaches the right editors and platforms. This partnership can be a key factor in successfully getting your content published and seen by a broad audience. To maximize your article's reach, focus on timely and highly relevant financial news or insightful market analysis. Craft compelling headlines and ensure your language is clear, concise, and engaging for a broad financial audience. Maintaining consistent quality and strictly adhering to all guidelines significantly increases your chances of publication. Aim for content that offers unique perspectives or valuable data points to stand out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.